my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh. My inhibitions fade away. Can't think with my head, my gut won't let me change. Try to deny, but you beg me to taste. If I end as the loser, it'd be worth the game. Cause I could never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. I swear every time is the last time I let you get up under my skin. I wanna let the ink dry, but wanna try till it's right. Here we go again. If I am love and love is I need you more than I would admit. Please be kind to me, baby. Like a weapon, you slay me forever.
Hey friends, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be decorating my outdoor patio space. I still have a few things to do, but I want to get this video out because it's long overdue. This patio refresh, it only cost me $50 because I repurposed what I already had. The new items that I purchased were pillow covers from Amazon, pillows from Walmart, solar lights from Dollar Tree, spray paint from Home Depot, and new plants from Home Depot. You really don't have to spend a lot of money to spruce up your outdoor space. So with that being said, I hope this video gives you some inspiration to spruce up your outdoor space for summer.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on guard when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home this. Please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue. Hey, they don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth.
Are you ready to see what the patio looks like now? But before I do that, let me show you what it looked like before I made these changes. As you can see, this patio was a hot mess. It was dirty. The chairs were discolored. Things were all over the place. The steps were fading and dirty. It was just a hot mess. I made a lot of progress, but I still have a lot to do. But I must say that I'm very happy with how things are now. And I hope that y'all like it too.
Tell him he's all you see. Tell him you got his keys, cause you thought he needed them, but he's not coming back again. So he's gone, leaving then. You won't see him again. It was convenient, but you won't be staying friends. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take bags, but there's no refunds here. So you saw the hurt, it makes you see clear. But you were just lost, you were just lost. But now you found